Hey, good afternoon. This is Neil with Simple Futures, and it is Thursday, December the 7th. And I'm going to change things up a little bit here because the S&P is doing nothing. It's still in the same range that it's been since November the 20th. We covered that last night, and it's just... that plus the fact that tomorrow there is a report, the non-farm payroll. Then next week we've got CPI on Tuesday and another Fed meeting rate announcement on Wednesday. So I can't really see things changing all that very much tomorrow. We'll see, but not with CPI and Fed next week. So switch gears and look at something else. I got a soybeans chart up here for you on a daily. I first noticed this on the futures chart, which I'll pull up, I guess, first. So here's a daily on the futures, and you can see that we've got this equal and opposite kind of a price action here, near perfect symmetry and taking back yesterday's bearish kind of trade. And so this would be a bullish setup for a potential trigger. Tomorrow you can see a trigger. Trigger would be breach of today's high tomorrow. We'd use the low right there as the risk, and you'd target up here at about $13.80 would be the so your trigger is about $13.20 and your target's $13.80. Your risk is the low right there from yesterday. And if you don't want to do it in the futures market, because obviously there's leverage and that could carry a little more risk than some people are going to be comfortable with, right? So we could switch over and do it in the ETF. And this requires trigger tomorrow, breach of today's high. Target is $1 higher, about $28.80, and the risk is the low of the move right there, which is only about 30 cents. So for this, you can trade the ETF, you get a $1 target and a 30-cent stop. So you get about a 3-to-1 risk reward on that. All right, that's what I got for today for futures. Because I can't find anything to talk about in what we normally do, and that is look at the S&Ps, and it just look like same range-bound garbage trade that frankly could break out of this range either higher or lower, and I don't know which, and there's a risk event tomorrow and then a couple more next week, so we'll see which way it wants to move and kind of pick back up there after that, right? Okay. Till then, good trading, a good night. Take care.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me